Jamie's had himself a little accident. He wet himself today. He didn't bring his male diaper with him, so he's crying. He's in a right boo, isn't he?
Dropped one of these, rolled on it, smashed all my back in it, smashed my
And what's he still doing? Digging holes.
Good morning, another week starting here at Airedale. Not a bad Monday for a change, it was actually peeing it down this morning. In fact, we've had a full team at gym this morning, all four of us, me, Jamie, Carl and Justin. What's going on? We're all there at 5:30, all on time. Had a good session. So yeah, what we're on with, we're back at Cavendish this week. Going to do the run down the car park, so probably 2.5 days, something like that, to do that. Some gates to get in, which we've got over there. Yeah, so they'll get on with that this week, and then hopefully the back end of the week we've got time to fit another school in. Used to be my primary school years ago over in Leeds, actually, Island Wood. We've done some works there last year, actually. We did some ballpark stuff for them. Oh, hey up, I've got a delivery. It looks like it's coming for me, delivery. So I'll get off and I'll take this delivery and I'll get back to you. Yeah, anyway, I'm back. Quick delivery there. Load of fittings, fencing fittings we've just had delivered. Would you believe it? There's about 300 and something quid there in them little boxes there. But yeah, we go through thousands of them. So I shall get the fork truck started and take them in, I think.
Here we are at Cavendish School. Breaking out this hole. Got Carl with us today, no Baggy. Take it in turns, Jamie and Baggy. They have a Monday off each.
We're genuine, man.
Yeah, oh, is that? He's with genuine apparently. So we're putting 2 metre twinning in green, and like I say, it's running slightly downhill, so each panel is stepping down. It's a lovely day for it. So plan is we get to there, take out another 10, put another 10 in. Flying we are, flying. You get breaker on it again. Right next to a curb edge all this, so we're always going to be a bit of an hard dig. Not major though. Little breakers here with us, they'll do the job. Jamie's got one of them face where you just look to it.
We'll go 4.5 feet. Get that camera out of my bloody face. Get out. Oh. You get it out, I put it in, exactly.
I like a married couple. What do you use to measure it?
It's Willie 5 times.
So we're getting there, near the end of this job now. Got to the bottom, cut all this out after dinner. Big double gate going here, 3.5 metres wide. Jamie's got his IVs on, we're all proud of him. Can we all get some praise for Jamie and his IVs?
Workers have come. Alright.
Yeah, shows you when you worked hard when I've got a full dinner left.
Do not but eat, you fat get. Alright, Jamie. Good day. Good day at the office. Taking obviously this old railing down, replacing it on that. Tell you what, he will look here, chop that down, look. They're in here stinking my office away. Yeah. Alright, Fred. Right, I'm going to get off anyway, get shut down and get off. So I'll see you
the next day.
Carl's in his element here, look. He's making a little gate to go with them there. There's 3 single 1.2 gates, could only get 2. So Carl's making another quick one there. That made today, and we'll drop it at Galvanisers. But yeah, that Cavendish school, going back to that, the head's very happy with it so far, but it's just added a little bit from what we did last week. It's about a panel and a half, I think it is, like I said. We've got a delivery coming, steel PALISADE for job in a couple of weeks. Actually Carl's mate, another sandwich place over in Leeds, so the lads will get well fed again on that one. That's got some big sliding gates which Fabrication Partners Ed's making for us. HC Fabs, thank you boys.
Yeah, I'm just with lads, just loading this timber out at the minute. Got these 2 panels to get down. I'm installing about 20 metres today from where we've ripped out there, coming down. It's going to be replaced with single-sided paling. There's going to be a nice drop, going to kind of try and match that, going down off this wall. Yeah, looking good. There we are. So lads are just posting it now. It all posted up. This bit's going to drop like that one, down at a nice angle. And I'll come down and it's getting tied on. I believe Mark this morning priced up for the rest of the fencing to be dropped and taken out. Jamie's had himself a little accident, he wet himself today. He didn't bring his male diaper with him, so he's crying. He's in a right boo, isn't he?
Got blood running down my arm, yeah, got video if people want to see it. Right? Stick up here, drop one of these, rolled on it, smashed all my back in it, smashed it.
And what's he still doing? Digging holes. Digging holes, I'm mourning.
I'll put you in if you want to go.
I'm going to get out of here and leave them to it.
A little bit of the old natural product today for a change. It's not a bad one, that's looking really well. It's a popular one here amongst the domestic side of things. Single paling, Apex weather capping as standard, all best quality product materials that we use, all double nailed so boards don't spleen when the sunshine gets on them, as you can see, because they tend to warp and twist. So yeah, day's work really, in and out. We've got we've quoted neighbours, she hasn't seen it yet, but following on from that corner there, I think once she comes home from work and sees that, she'll be giving us a call. So yeah, we've got a couple of small repairs, one in Leeds now at a church. Someone's gone into some railings, so Carl Fabricator, as new lad, he's made a couple of railings for us, so we'll have to fit them.
What are we up to? Lads are just doing a timber job in Thackley today. Justin's gone to see a job we've got coming up in Skipton. Carl's loving life in his little workshop here. There's been concreting some rails in there, look today, cementing them in. And then I've just had a call off a customer who we install fencing for now and again. They're just doing a little repair and he's after a post. So one of their lads is meant to be coming. And I did say, oh, by the way, you do know who sell mesh fencing and whatnot. Oh, he says, I need another 9 metres for tomorrow. Have you got that in? I said, yeah, I've got a vial of it. So I've got to get that out ready for him in the morning. So yeah, you know, one little thing that I said to him, and he'll probably get us off as regular. I says, oh, and by the way, you know, I have mountains of post mix as well, so I've just bought a load, he says. So yeah, no doubt he'll be buying that off us as well. But, oof, it's 10.5 gone cold out there today. So yeah, I'm just waiting for this kid to come for this post actually, and then I'm going to get off because I've had enough today. I've been up since crack of dawn. Yeah, so I'll leave it at that and we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, it's all go here. We're getting there, look at this, shelves going on. New table, tops, what's going on? I'm still not quite sure what he's making down here.
It'll all make sense too.
Professor Chamley here. He's grinding away, he's making it so it slides in and out or something. I'm not quite sure what's going down there, but we've even got Matt here, look, he's what's Matt up to? He's serving this in his van. What he likes to do is fill our skip up, I've noticed, which is 300 quid a go. What are you doing, tidy up van?
Yeah.
They were carrying on 5 minutes ago. Thought somebody had been in his cabin. He didn't see padlock that were on it that he put on. Friday, you see, Fridays. Morning, that's what I like to say, lads going. We've done completed one job, they're on with the second one now. We're just having a good sort out in yard here. Just been putting a couple of jobs with gates and that there. Justin's, well actually Carl's going to do a wood run. Get rid of all these stupid pallets and that are hanging about and loads of wood. And yeah, the lads are going over to Leeds on do a railing repair which Carl fabricated for a church actually. A car had gone through railings or something.
So that's the original, and there's the ones that just put in, them two there, and then back onto existing. Ours looks newer than theirs now.
So we'll get that done. I think we're going to chuck a load of this wood on these shelves. We're just stacking it. Could probably burn it, but it just takes too long. We can't be bothered. So I'll have to pay for it down at well, it was Ford's Recycling. It's now Biffa Recycling down there. Yeah, so busy one. We've had a good tidy up here. Put everything on those racks. So I've got to order a load more fencing next week. Yeah, so that's if I don't get time, I think I might call it here another week at Airedale, because I'm just going to go do a load of boring admin and stuff now, which you don't really want to see that. So yeah, another good week at Airedale. We've got through some jobs. If you like what we do, give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next week.